Hey guys, this is Mike Keenan here. Today I'm going to be going over how to configure EIGRP very quickly. We're going to be going from PC1 here over here to PC2, and we're going to be using three routers: router 1, router 2, and router 3. And for a brief overview of our commands, we have router 1 here. These are the commands that we're going to be using. Router 2, router 3, and then there's some helpful show commands down here as well. As you can see, this isn't a lot of configuration. We're just going to do a simple EIGRP configuration. So what we're going to do is start off by doing a continuous ping to the host at 10.3.3.25, which is this guy over here. We're going to start off with configuring router 1, and we begin by turning on EIGRP. So we're going to do router EIGRP. We're going to give it an autonomous system number of 1. And remember, all the routers in this topology have to be in the same autonomous system. So we're going to say 1 is that autonomous system. We're going to advertise the networks that he is aware of. So he's aware of 10.1.1.0, and we're going to use wildcard masks for our IP routing protocols. So we're going to use 0.0.0.255. We're going to do the same thing with 10.2.2.0 subnet. And then finally, he also knows about the 10.4.4.0 subnet. And then what we're going to do is, because we don't want this router to be advertising packets out of this interface, so what we want to do is make it so it doesn't do that. We do that by using the passive interface command. We're going to say passive interface gigabit Ethernet 0/1. Now we're going to come over here to router 2. We're going to turn on EIGRP for him as well. He knows about the 10.2.2.0 network, and he knows about the 10.3.3.0 network. So he's already formed a neighbor adjacency with router 1 here. You can see his IP address. He's learned it out of his gigabit Ethernet 0/0 interface. So he now knows about this guy here. What we can do is do a show IP EIGRP. Oops. There's his neighbor. Show IP EIGRP neighbors. So next we're going to do router 3. This is the final one. We're going to do router EIGRP1 network 10.3.3.0. And then finally, he knows about the 10.4.4.0 network as well. So he's now formed neighbor adjacencies with router 2 and also with router 1. So our pings should be working now. Let's see. And there they are. So I just happen to know that right now this connection that it is being, it's taking this path here. Now, what we want to do is, well, I should say, a way to figure out what path it's taking on the router is to do a show IP route. And you can see here, D, this is EIGRP. He knows how to get to the 10.3.3.0 network, and right now he's currently going out of gigabit Ethernet 0/2. Or I'm sorry, he's actually going out of gigabit Ethernet 0/0 for this traffic here. So what we could do is shut down this link, going suspend, and let's see what happens here. He's timing out. So what we're going to do is wait for the network to reconverge. So he's recognized that this interface is down, and this guy also recognizes that his interface, gigabit Ethernet 0/0, is down. And we come back over here and look at that. The network has reconverged. That's how it's done. That's how you configure EIGRP. A couple other helpful commands are show IP EIGRP interfaces. So that tells you which interfaces that EIGRP is turned on for. You got show IP EIGRP neighbors. So right now he only knows about router 3 at 10.4.4.2 because the link up here has been suspended. And we also know about the show IP EIGRP topology. So this is his topology table. So there you have it, EIGRP explained in a nutshell. I hope you liked this video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.